crap. Get it together. What? Hello and welcome to Misery Loves Delivery. I'm Taylor and I stay in every Saturday to amuse you every Sunday. This week I've got to do Blizzard cleanup. Yep, this is my bedroom and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it could be better, but I have just ordered What? Taylor. This week I ordered pizza and as soon as I get the text on my phone, I'm gonna start a cleanup of my entire bedroom. And to accompany me on this bedroom cleanup, race against time, super cool thing that I'm doing, I've got a pregame. And is that what I'm gonna call it? It's just alcohol. It's vodka and the last of the ginger ale I had from the Blizzard and some frozen berries I found while my roommate was cleaning out my freezer. So cheers. Text from Seamless. Okay, so I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but my bed is really gross. Okay, so as you may or may not have seen, we had a little bit of a hiccup, and one of the plants in my window broke. So I don't think I'm going to beat the food here. We'll see how far I get. Let's just aim for cleaning up the mess I made in the corner. And like, where was this camera before I ruined everything? Okay, let's just aim for cleaning up the mess I made over there. I eat in bed a lot, so. Damage control time. T-minus 24 minutes. I've accomplished almost nothing except for making a bigger mess. Why is this so large? Alright, well, pizza came in 39 minutes, and as you can tell, I cleaned out that corner by throwing it all on my freshly made bed. So, this didn't go so hot, and I'm gonna have to finish at least part of this before I can do the other things that I have to do today. I should have never begun. Anyway, for Misery Loves Delivery, I'm Taylor, staying in every Saturday to amuse you every Sunday. So, like, comment, subscribe, YouTube things. I barely know how to clean a room, let alone know what YouTube things are. Bye!